Hello, hi kids. Let's learn color pencils names. Okay, these are all the color pencils: brown color, black color, gray color, purple color, and green color, orange color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, pink color, green color, and blue color. Let's draw the alphabets. Orange color A. A for apple and A for aeroplane. Red color B. B for banana and B for ball. Pink color C. C for cat and C for cup. Green color D. D for dance and D for doll. Yellow color E. E for egg and E for elephant. Purple color F. F for fish and F for flag. Sky blue color G. G for goat and G for gun. Green color H. H for hat and H for hen. Grey color I. I for ink and I for independence. Brown color J. J for jar and J for jam. Orange color K. K for kite and K for king. Sky blue color L. L for lion and L for leaf. Black color A. A for ant. B. B for bat. C. C for camel. D. D for dinner set. E. E for F. F for flag. G. G for gun. H. H for hat. I for ink. J. J for jam. K. K for kingdom. L. L for leaf. Let's learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, bye kids.